takes electricity. Takes electricity and it takes ground. Ground is a second part of electricity. You know, you talked about electricity being in a circuit. It has two pieces, like an A and a B. The ground is the B. The electrode coming out of here is the A. You never need to look at the end of this unless you have one of these on. Yes, sir? My welding wires. I don't know where they are. I'm going to find them real quick.
Right here?
No, that is the ground. Like I said just a second ago, it's the ground. So the electricity comes through the gun, through the machine, through the gun. And if you didn't have that other piece, the ground on it, it would do nothing. It would just sit there and go, and it wouldn't do nothing. It wouldn't weld nothing. But yep, when you have the ground, it completes the circuit. You know, you talked about electricity being circuits.
So when it doesn't have the ground, it's an on circuit?
Come over a little closer where you're in the camera.
It just turned on.
It just turned on. Okay. And you need clean tips. This is the tip. And that's the tip. And you need to be clean. You need your gas to be able to flow out of it. You don't need it.
I will. Now I'm in bed.
No. There you go.
What are you doing right now?
Cleaning the stuff out. There's a piece right down there that needs to get out.
When are we going to be welding?
That's part of the frame.
So what are you going to be welding at?
The frame. I'll show you this side.
Did you see the pretended one I was welding?
You were pretending the other day, but guess what?
What?
You ain't gonna be pretending after a little bit. You're gonna be welding.
I was you're gonna go to the one out. Nope.
Nope, you're gonna weld.
I'm gonna learn how to weld.
We're gonna be right over here. All right, so we're gonna be right over here. All right. Well, I'll tell you when to turn around. All right, so you got your welding helmet on. You don't put it down yet. We got to do the welder's flip, okay?
Welder's flip?
Yep, come here. I'll show you how to do the welder's flip. Come here. All right, so look, you got your helmet up. Now look at me. Flip it down. There you go. Welder's flip.
Welder's flip.
Now say it, raise it up, now say it again.
Welder's flip.
All right, flip your helmet down. When you're ready to weld, you're looking up, you're looking at your gun, you're getting everything set, and you go flip, and then you start welding.
I can't do the flip.
You can't do the flip probably because this is a little bit loose.
I can do the flip. Hey. You don't have the welding. That was the welder's flip. Yeah, that was the welder's flip. See me? See me? See me right here?
All right, y'all don't be silly for the camera.
Oh, touch your nose. I took a
Hold on,
part.
let me try.
Arr. Aye, aye.
Oh,
Arr.
out, rag. All right, raise it up. There you go. Can you still see? Even with those down in front of your eyes?
Oh, I can oil it too.
All right, try that. You hold the gun like this, okay? You get steady, keep it set, turn it on your wrist, just like that. Just make the camera turn around where it'll see us. All right, you get set just like this, okay? And when you hit the trigger, you have your hand here stabilizing the end. You make little E's, little circles, circle, 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 circle. I'm gonna help you with the first one. You're just gonna hold it, and I'm gonna help you do it. So we're gonna do this one for me, and you can do it. You do a circle, a circle. This one goes, and you just make a little circle till you get to the end, and you stop. Okay? All right, boy. Look at the truck. Do not quit looking at Bell until I tell you to. Okay? You stay facing Bell. You stay facing Bell and do not turn around. All right, come here. Come here. All right, put your hand over mine. Right here. Come it down. Can you see where the end of the gun is? Yes? All right, ready? What? Here, put those on. Yeah, that's what happens when you weld. Put those on.
These are warm. What's happening to it?
That's what it's doing. It's putting that wire inside on the thing. So look, when you hit the trigger, this is what it's doing. It's pushing that wire out and making it go on the thing. All right. Let me, actually I need to grind that off. Let me get my other glove. All right, come on, let's try again. Did you see how we made those little bitty circles? All right, come here. Hey, look, we're actually gonna do this weld right over here, okay? Hey, Wyatt, grab the machine and pull it towards me just a little bit. Let me do it. Ah. All right, come here. Come inside of here. Ready? We'll start right here and work our way back towards it. You think we're doing right? Gotta do that. Got you covered. As soon as you hit that trigger, it's gonna start. You gotta stay down in the corner.
Can I do it?
No, you gotta stay down in the corner. Stay down there. Hold it tight. You're moving a little bit too fast. Slow it down just a little bit. Stop. So you made it to the end of the piece? Alright, look at it. I know, it's too big for you. Pick up that. Alright, come here, Wyatt.
That's a pretty nice weld.
That's a pretty nice weld. I think you did pretty good.
Yeah. need a helmet that fits me.
I don't think you did too bad.
First time ever welding.
Point it out. Don't touch it. Just point at it. That's far. That's close enough.
Papa, so are you going to go help me?
I'm gonna help you. Okay.
Okay. Here's the gloves.
Yep. Put the gloves on. He can just put those on over his. All right. Slide your hand in. That hand. That hand. Slide it in. Slide it in. What? Get your hand in. Put your hand in. All right, come on, let's weld. All right, go right inside of there. Arms up. All right, can you see? Can you see through here? Yep. All right. Let me get this in between you. All right, now, put your hands on top of mine. One hand here. One hand there. Now put your other hand behind you. On the top of this one. On top of this one. There you go, going. Ready? We're going to start here and go to there. All right. Done. Did pretty good there, wild man.
Can I see?
Come look at it. Stand over here and look at it.
Good.
Look over at it. Look over at it. I think you did pretty good.
Mine's a little fat at the end. Yeah.
Yeah, yours a little fat at the end. We'll fix that.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, y'all go back inside, okay?
Okay, can I take these gloves off?
Yes, you can take those gloves off.
You want me to take that inside?
Nope.
You gonna video you welding?
Yeah, I'm gonna video me welding. Y'all need to see me welding too. Back at you.
I bet it's gonna be stoked when they see the weld. Like the welding content.
Bye. All right.